Welcome to our step-by-step guide for installing Techslate flooring. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or a professional installer, this guide will help you achieve a seamless and durable installation. Let's get going. Before beginning, ensure your subfloor is clean, dry, level, and sturdy. Techslate is designed as a floating floor, and the subfloor's unevenness should not exceed 2 mm over 1 meter or 5/64 inch over 3 feet. If needed, use a suitable self-leveling compound to level it out. Let your Techslate flooring acclimatize for 24 hours in its original packaging, with the room temperature set between 15 and 25 degrees Celsius, 59 and 77 degrees Fahrenheit, and a relative humidity of around 40 to 60%. If installing over a cement subfloor, ensure it meets the moisture standards. For cement subfloors, keep moisture below 2.0 centimeters%, and for anhydrite subfloors, under 0.5 centimeters%. For wet areas prone to standing water, apply a joint sealant like Click Seal or Seal and Click to protect against moisture damage. Inspect each Techslate plank in daylight before installation to ensure there are no defects. Make sure the tongues and grooves are clean for a smooth fit. A moisture barrier is recommended when installing Techslate flooring in basements or on concrete subfloors. Start in a corner of the room and make sure to leave a 2 mm to 3 mm or 5/64 inch to 1/8 inch expansion gap along the wall and around any solid structures dot. With Techslate's high-dimensional stability, you can install up to 10,000 square feet of flooring without needing any expansion or separation joints. Techslate offers two installation methods, angle snap and angle to angle. Let's start with the angle snap method. Begin in a corner, positioning the long side of the plank at about a 10 degrees angle and click them into place by pushing and pressing down. For the shorter side, use a tapping block and gently tap the panels into place. Now let's look at the angle to angle method. Tilt the panels at about a 10 degrees angle and click them together at the end. Lift and align the adjacent panels, then click them into place for a tight fit. Continue laying panels in direct extension of the first row. Start the second row with the remainder of the first panel, ensuring it is at least 30 centimeters long or 12 inches long for stability. When cutting panels, use a hand circular saw using a blade suitable for cutting gypsum wallboards. You can also score the cutting line with a utility knife and snap the panel cleanly. Once your Techslate floor is installed, let's discuss maintenance. Techslate flooring can be damp or wet cleaned, and you can even use automated brush cleaning machines. To protect your flooring, place a doormat or dirt trapping carpet at entry points. Additionally, use felt pads under furniture legs to prevent scratching. Thank you for choosing Techslate flooring. For more details, visit our website. Follow these steps to enjoy a seamless and resilient floor that's built to last. Need further assistance? Our team is here to help. Reach out anytime.